The journey to 10k a month. So, welcome back to another video. And what we're doing here is we are documenting and sharing our journey to hopefully achieving 10k a month monthly recurring passive income. And we're doing that via building a community over on the platform Skool, which is all around earning online with faceless content and AI. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I was able to get my first 100 members into the community, and I'll share with you some tips and little tricks that we've been doing to grow the community. Okay, so nothing hidden. I'm going to be open and transparent as always. So let's dive in. Okay, welcome. So this is my community over on Skool, all geared around earning online with AI and faceless content. And you can see we've got loads of content in here, but let's start at the beginning. So how did we get our first 100 customers? I've got the steps on here for you and we'll just go through it, okay? So the obvious one is step one is build the community. So this is how it currently looks. You can see I'm working on another classroom down here. But when I first launched this, I didn't have nowhere near the amount of classrooms like this. The ones I started with was AI videos, a YouTube channel, selling printables, and an Instagram theme pages. So there was 4 classrooms at the beginning. And I highly recommend you to build out a few classrooms before you launch this because I mean, I'm in some communities and they'll launch them and there's nothing in there. There's just the community tab up here. So I don't find great value from that. So the first step in any part of building a community is to have something built and ready to go. So obviously people can come in, they can start going through the learning, they can start going through the classrooms, and then they can comment in the community and ask questions around this. So step one is to build something worthwhile and of value. And what we created in the beginning with the AI videos, the YouTube channel, the Instagram theme pages, and the printables classroom, there was 4 different classrooms available straight away. So anyone who was interested in earning online with any of those methods, they could simply go into the classroom and literally just start going through it. So you can see over here, for example, in the printables one, everything in here, what we've got, how to customize the shop, printable softwares, using AI to create the printables, how to get traffic to the printables, free resources, and loads more. So all of those were done. Now, sometimes when you are creating a community or a product or training, you do get a little bit, what's the word? Blinded, I guess, because, and what I mean by that is, maybe it's the wrong word. What I mean by that is, sometimes you lose focus on where you're going or you go off on a tangent. Okay, so step one is we would build the community. And building the community is great because you don't need technical skills, you don't need to have lots of experience, you don't even need to spend a lot of time on building out these communities on Skool. They're really straightforward and simple to do, okay? But once you've built it, we then move into step two. And this is where I always, with any training, invite beta testers to come and test it out to give me feedback on this, tell me what's missing, what could be better. Hopefully, some of those beta testers will say, yeah, it's awesome. But we always get beta testers. Now, for me to get beta testers in here, I have a Facebook group I have a group on Facebook. It's called Not Taught at School. And in there, I just said, this is what I'm planning on doing. Do you want to become a beta tester? It will give you lifetime access for free. And we did a competition. So from memory, I think we've got about 40 people who were interested. And from the original 40, we had 10 beta testers. And they came in, they gave me feedback on this, what was me, even down to spelling mistakes. I was getting feedback on spelling mistakes, which is awesome. So once we'd built it, we'd got the beta testers in, they'd gone through the training, they'd give me feedback, we edited it, we amended it. And then once it was good, essentially then we move into step 3. Now this one I've put on here, share value. So normally what happens is once somebody has built something or they have a product or a training course or whatever, essentially they're going to market mode. And what that means is they'll just go out and start spamming the links everywhere and saying, I've built this, go and check it out, etc., etc. But most people run away from spam, spam essentially. So with this, I started sharing value, and I was doing this over on Facebook. And I'll show you this. So this is my Facebook profile. You can say I'm not big by any stretch of the imagination. I've got 2k followers over on Facebook. But what I like to do on here is I share value posts. So for example, can see I've got a post here showing people how to create these videos. If I then come down here, we've got another value post. We've got another value post down here. And if you go into these, you can see we're literally doing this, okay? So if I scroll further down the page here, look, how to make this in Nano Banana. So there's an image. And then down in the comments, I give them the prompt of how to do this. And then I include a small call to action at the end. So I'll always lead with value and then I'll give them the call to action, okay? And you can see we have hundreds more prompts inside of, in that example, AI Income Lab. And again, scroll further down the page here. Look, most people waste ChatGPT's potential. Here are 10 prompts to make it better. Click on there. We've got all of the prompts down here. So again, leading with value. And then you can see, if you want to learn how I'm earning online without showing my face, then check out the Faceless Movement on Skool. And I'll have a clickable link down there. Okay? And that's it. So with this, it's always going with value. Again, look, here's another post. Steal these 10 plug and play prompts for faster, sharper work. And the reason why I do it this way is, obviously, if we're giving away value like this, and in this example, these ChatGPT posts, people are taking them, they're seeing them, and this is pretty decent. So they will see this and think, this is pretty good. What else is he what else is he doing? What else is he sharing? So we put a mix on here of like ChatGPT prompts. We also do images like this over here, how to create these sorts of things, how to create these little videos like this. And all of them, we give away the value first. So like how to make these videos, we give them the prompt or the ChatGPT prompts. And then we include a call to action to direct people over to this classroom, over to this community on Skool. So that is how we are doing it basically. Build it, get better testers, share value. In our value posts, we're then dropping a link over to the community. And then step 4 is make it better. And that is exactly what we have been doing. So if I come back over here, you remember at the beginning I said to you we had a few classrooms to start with. So we had the crazy AI videos, YouTube, and these ones down here. Well, obviously over time we've added in more classrooms. So like this one, for example, this ASMR and VO3, we added this classroom in yesterday. And in here, again, we cover everything included. So an overview of the method. What is the method? You can see on here, what is it, how to set this up, how to monetize from the method. And then once we've done the overview and we've done that, we have got prompts in this example. So we've got all of the different prompts. We've even got a piece of custom software for the members so they can create their own prompts. And then we've even give them done for you prompts. So literally they come in the classroom. If they want to create a video like this, that there is the prompt. And then you can see we've got more prompts down here and we've got a number of them. So every day when I'm coming in here and I'm going into the community tab over here, I am looking at how can I make this better for the existing members and also potential new members who are coming in here. And something I do as well each week to again make it better is we've now got our core classrooms. We've got a software suite in here. We also have a gift and resources tab. So every week I am putting stuff in here, and you can see down here, look, weekly freebies. I go ahead and buy stuff or create stuff that will help people inside of the community and make it better, because obviously we want them to stick around in here so we can hit that 10k a month goal. So every week something related to the product. So we have got in here, you can see we've got personal development. We've got master resell products, so they can literally download these, start selling them online. Kids activity sheets, education hero posters, and loads more. And then, in terms of continuing to market this, we will always market it with this, sharing value. Continue sharing value. So with this as well, what I'm doing is, for example, if I go into a classroom, and I'm just going to, I don't know, let's say the crazy AI videos, I can come in here and I can share a video like this on Facebook. I can say, this is the video, these are the prompts, and if you want to learn how to do this yourself or get hundreds more prompts, then you can check out our community. And again, we've got loads of different prompts in here, so it's just a case of going through it and sharing it. So every day we'll come in here, we'll maybe get a prompt from the AI videos one day. Another day we might do something with the faceless marketing. Another day we might share something about printables or in Instagram, etc. But using this method over here of building beta testers, sharing value and making it better is what has helped us get our first 100 members into the Faceless Movement community over here. So yeah, look, that's today's video. Any questions, as always, do let me know. If you want to check out the community, there'll be a link somewhere on the page, okay? Take care, I'll see you soon.